Hey sister, I'm getting braids today. I'm so happy because I haven't gotten braids in so long. I'm gonna get boho knotless. Wait, knotless boho. I don't even know how I'm saying it. It's gonna be a boho. Am I slow? Am I dumb? It's gonna be a knotless. It's knotless braids in a bob boho. But we're gonna have, our curly pieces are gonna be human hair. I want them to be like right here. I'm taking y'all along for the process. If you haven't already, definitely make sure that you subscribe. Sister, what are you doing? You're gonna help me. We're trying to get to 1K by March. But my sister is already pissing me off because why is it 10:30 and she's not here yet? It's okay though, because we got all day and I know we're gonna take breaks and be yapping. So come along with me. Say, give me some curds. Give me some curds and some chicken breast. What you doing? Ask her. Hey, Raven. Who's the... I'm crying. That's my twin. I'm crying. Who's the best noodle maker? Who is it, Raven? Don't even lie.
I'm crying.
Oh my God.
My knowledge, it is Reagan.
Told you.
One suppressed, and I regret that shit.
Really? What did it do to your hair?
Girl, immediately after I got up off the chair, girl, it started.
Oh, your hair started poofing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah.
What did I pay you
Actually,
for?
mine stayed for at least a week.
I was like, I would never come back to you, girl. Ever.
But the girl that I went to, she's so fine and she's self-taught. She came from Atlanta, I think. She's a kind-hearted girl. I can't remember her name, but I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna put it in the description. Not the description. I'm gonna put it right here. The guy who did my engagement photos, we're gonna do. My sisters and I are gonna do a photo shoot with him, and I'm gonna get a picture of my mom printed out. I want to get one for my mom, and so we could take pictures with her. You know what I mean? And we also did this photo shoot when we were little. That we trying to recreate some of the pictures, bruh. It's so funny, but I don't know how that's gonna turn out because I don't want nobody to be fried. Y'all need to look cute.
No, we're not gonna be.
Okay, I was gonna say we need to look cute.
First of all, that's what I was saying. I don't want nobody to be fried.
And we wore pink when we were little, and then we decided to wear pink this time too. So I thought that was so cool. And in February is our mom's
I don't know who's
death. Is it death anniversary? Is that what you call it? Death anniversary?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's her birthday and her death anniversary. So we thought it would be perfect to do a photo shoot for her. Boosie sent us some photo inspiration, like some, cause look the
because we was really about to go in just be doing some dumb. I was like,
that's all we was gonna be doing.
No,
Boosie sent us some picture inspiration. Y'all, I'm gonna take y'all along for that video. Oh, that's gonna be a good video for Valentine's Day too. I'm gonna get it uploaded before Valentine's Day, y'all. This is editing Reagan. Remember to get it uploaded before Valentine's Day so it can actually be in the algorithm and people can actually watch it before Valentine's Day. But yes, so Boosie sent us some what do you call it?
Ideas,
posing ideas, because okay, so the photo shoot was only $50. That was so cool. But it's only 15 minutes. So basically we have to go there with our poses already ready so we can like get the most bang for our buck. But everybody's going to be wearing pink, and we don't really have like a what am I trying to say? We don't really have
a lot of times.
I'm trying to say that we're not matching. We don't have no
No theme.
Yeah. We don't have no theme. We just all want to wear pink. I think it's gonna be so cute.
And that came together because literally the last picture was of us wearing pink.
Right. So when we were younger, we were forced to take those photos, but we all wore pink. We were. No, we were. That's why everybody was so mad in the picture.
Oh, wow.
You don't remember? Because we didn't want to take pictures at Kroger. Let me tell y'all, my auntie, had us taking pictures at Kroger in a back room, looked like a dungeon, y'all. Wasn't it like that?
Oh my God.
You know what I'm talking about. Do you remember?
What you said?
Do you remember? I'm gonna actually insert the picture, y'all. Oh my God.
I literally remember it being at Kroger. I thought that was how it's supposed to be. I thought that's how everybody did it.
No, like
it was one of those things. Okay,
okay,
like,
yeah.
around the holidays or like when.
But like I've never
heard of like Kmart or whatever.
Yeah, or what's that one that
okay,
used to be? Oh yeah, Kmart is the one that used to be around. What is the other one? Dillard's. You know how they do the like that's coming back around. That trend is like the ugly photo shoots. Or was it? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. And so that's basically how it was. But it was like literally in a back room at a Kroger, y'all. So it was like, when you said we were taking pictures, we thought you were talking about an actual photo shoot. But she sent us in there to take pictures. I'm glad we got them because, like, you know, memories. Like memories. But
core memories.
We were so angry.
Right. At the time.
Yeah, we were so mad. But now I'm so happy that we got it because now we have inspo for this photo shoot.
Everything happened for a reason.
And it's gonna be fire, y'all. I'm so excited.
Oh, you're right.
Yay. I haven't even bought my outfit yet. Y'all already ordered yours, didn't y'all?
Yeah, mine just came, but except for my belt.
Oh, okay. Hey y'all, I'm calling y'all back and we are starting my hair and we talking about the TikTok ban. Okay, so what I was saying was the guy who created TikTok, apparently, I'm not sure, allegedly, this is something that we saw on TikTok by another creator, but apparently he used to work for Mark Zuckerberg as an intern. And Mark Zuckerberg, he brought TikTok, the idea of TikTok to him, and Mark Zuckerberg was like, no, like that's stupid. So the guy went off and made his own, made TikTok the app. So now everybody is saying that Mark Zuckerberg is the real reason why TikTok is getting banned. Like he pushed some money at it. You know what I mean? Like he paid basically for them to ban it. And so what Mark Zuckerberg thought was going to happen is that since TikTok is getting banned, he thought everybody was going to come back to Instagram and Facebook because you know he owned both. Right. So he thought everybody was going to come back to Facebook and Instagram, but now this Chinese app is the #1 app in the world right now. So we thought that I feel like that's so funny. And the thing about the Red Note app is it's cool because there's no ads. Like you know how on TikTok you scroll too long and then they keep. No.
So they have no flaw? It's just
like TikTok? Literally, look, I'm going to show you.
So what, is it just like TikTok?
It's just like TikTok.
No fucking way.
It's just like TikTok.
Oh, they ate.
Exactly. They ate, y'all. This is the app.
They said one monkey don't show no show.
Literally.
At all.
And I kid you not, all the Americans have come over to the app. Go to your app store and look.
Before they
go to your app store and look at what the #1 app is. My sister sectioned out where she's gonna be putting the braids so far. I don't know if y'all can see it. So, like, why are the braids crispy as hell? And these are just like, what do you call it? What are you doing? What is this called?
Sectioning off.
Yeah. My sister sectioned off my hair for the braids. She said this makes it go faster. I believe it's going to do the same thing. And I'm so happy because I'm so particular about my middle part, y'all. Like, it needs to be in the fucking middle. So, I'm so happy. I'm getting a bob. I don't know if I can see. But I got human hair, like, for the curly pieces. Y'all, I'm so excited. I haven't had braids in a long time. I think since she last did them. Sorry. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back when we get to at least one section done. Hey y'all, I'm coming back with an update. Now. So, I think we got like half of my head, like the back one. Y'all tell me if you can see. Yes. And we're watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. We just put it on. I'm officially off work in 2 minutes. So, yeah, she's just reeing up on the hair over here. I'll come back once we get to a piece of the front so I can see how that's coming along. Say hey, y'all. Say hi. Say why you making that noise, baby? You don't want to give me no kiss?
Are you going to boil water first?
You don't want to give me a kiss? Did you roll your eyes at me? It's literally the next day, but one thing about it, my sister's going to eat down. You know what I mean? Like, I never questioned it. It's so cute and so full. I just put water and mousse on it to have like the curls. Like, I want y'all to see, girl, the parts straight, okay, crisp. Yes, so I love it. I'm so happy because I'm not gonna have to worry about my hair while I'm in Texas. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's so cute. I'm gonna at least wear these for 2 months, baby. Yes, y'all. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Sis, if you're not subscribed already, I'm not understanding why. Do we have beef? Yeah, I don't want to have beef. So definitely make sure that you subscribe. And comment down below what's your favorite braided hairstyle or your favorite protective hairstyle. Okay, bye, girl.